lots of money.
Compound. So
It brings wealth.
Yeah, it brings wealth. This one.
Yeah.
Humanity.
Yeah, guys, you can take even a picture. We will look for it somewhere.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. So you've seen Maza, you've seen the fountain already?
This one, okay, I was here, I saw it, but we can
pass.
Yeah.
And
You know, when I came here first,
yeah.
I was using my phone recording. It was my phone, yes.
Yeah, it is a phone.
Yeah, this one that I have
So
right now.
this is supposed to be a fountain,
Yeah.
and the water flows from up. And then we thought maybe not a fountain alone. Then maybe we put something like a fish pond down here, so the water flows, and maybe some small for just beauty, some small fish.
Or a small swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Can you swim here?
African swimming pool.
This is enough. You can swim up to there 10 rounds.
Maybe
But
me.
it's a very good fountain.
Yeah.
And it was built using the stones.
Very natural.
So it really took like good craftsmanship. Like someone who knew what he was doing.
Yeah.
And they built that fountain. You can see, guys, this is how it looks like. It's a very good idea.
Yeah. So we decided to just put it here so that we can do some other things like planting trees around here. Yeah, because if we could not have put this fountain here, maybe we could have planted a tree here, a tree there. Yeah.
And also the idea of fish is a very good idea.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Maja_KE. Yeah, different place and different location. And guys, I want to tell you, this is maybe the second time I'm here, and it's very unique. It's called Mabera place. So it's not like my second time, but the second time I'm coming to this place that I'm going to show you guys. The last time it was very like not completed, but right now it's completed. And yeah, let me wipe my camera. Yeah, not completed, but guys, this place is amazing. So you can see the road is right here, and also, yeah, you can go in anytime, any minute, because it's around. Also, I can say our MP's area is around here, and I want to take you there, guys, so that you can see what is happening out there in there, guys. So yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maja_KE. Thank you so much for the people who are watching me. Thank you so much for the people who are supporting me. I really appreciate that so much. Yo, we are here, guys, coming live from this place. And the place that I'm taking you to, guys, this is massive. And this is a place that you all people maybe can admire to be, you know, or admire to have something like this. It's very beautiful. That's why I'm here, guys. Don't forget to tell a friend, to tell another friend that to subscribe to my channel at Maja_KE. So guys, I'm taking you to a massive place. This place, I've been here like I think 1 year ago. This place was like, I don't know how to put it, but this place was like a place that I would never like I never knew it would be like this. But this place was it. Right now it's massive, guys. So I want to show you a place in our village that you have never been to, trust me. So from here, guys, I'm coming from the road there. That is the road, the main road over there. Yeah, and that makes me like it looks like our home. Like even our home, it's just the main road. So the road, it's over there. Yeah, over there. Yes, so guys, keep on subscribing, sharing the videos, and yeah, you can see the walls here. And this place, guys, it's a secret. The area MP of our place, that is Korea, lives here. Yeah, so guys, we want to go and get some stories from here and get to know how it's going on. So guys, come with me, let's see. So the gate is here, a very beautiful gate over here. So we will be going in and seeing how the house is. The house, of course, is very massive, and yeah, let's go in. Let's see. Guys, we are here and we have the only one. Yeah.
Hi guys, hi dance people. Yeah, welcome to Maja K's channel and welcome home Dan, not Dan, Maja.
Yeah.
Welcome home Maja. Yeah, and yeah, this is our home. You were once here.
Yeah, long time. Yeah.
You were once here, once or twice even.
Yeah.
Once. Yeah, welcome back again to our home. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for supporting Maja KE. Always support him, always take him to how many subscribers? 20 subscribers.
Yeah.
Yes, and
20,000, not only
20,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
So
yeah, so guys, this is Chef Matiko, I think.
Chef Claire.
Chef
Claire.
Not Chef Matiko, Chef Claire. Yeah, and I think the first video we did me and you. Yeah, you remember?
Yes,
me and you.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah,
we did a video at your home. Most of the time, like I did not even once, like twice or thrice. Yeah.
So guys, support her, and this is her home.
Yeah,
you know, beautiful home. You see people are enjoying there.
Yes.
Yeah, so Chef Claire, kindly support Chef Claire, and road to success, we can say that. And I see God has blessed you.
With what?
Everything.
With a home.
A home, YouTube.
Yeah. God has blessed us, all of us here, and even me. God has blessed me, and so this is my home. I want to just take around Maja KE and show him around. Yeah. Thank
you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, and of course we have Nasto here.
Yeah, what's up guys? I hope you're all doing good. Welcome back to Maja KE YouTube channel. Today we are in Chef Claire's home. It's really beautiful. We are enjoying the nature, the grass, the green environment, and I would love to encourage and recommend the people watching this video to plant even more trees, like to create more green spaces for the world, because it really feels cool and very lovely. Like here, even if you have any kind of stress and then you find this kind of a shade and grass, trust me, all the problems go away. So guys, we are here today. We are expecting to have a very good tour of this compound. So Chef Claire will be taking us around just to get to see how the home looks like. So subscribe to Maja KE, check out also Chef Claire, and also subscribe to my channel. It's Nasto, and I'll be very much grateful. Yes.
So guys, that was Nasto. And kindly guys, support us in any way that you can. Subscribe, like the videos, share, watch until the end. And also we have a brother here.
You know.
Yeah, so guys, we just have to get we want to get a tour. Hey, English is not Englishing. Yeah, so we are going to take a tour here. I think I did a video here, guys, long time ago, but it has changed so much. So things have changed.
Not so much though.
Yeah.
But just a little. We are fixing small things at a time, not everything at once. Yeah,
of course.
So I'm just going to show you around. So like, this is our compound from this lower side.
Yeah.
And we've planted trees here. Can you go there?
Yeah, of course.
So,
You know, Nasto loves trees.
Love nature.
Nature and trees.
yeah.
Very beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, so from the gate, we wanted just when you come in, we're going to make a pathway here, just from the gate going up. And now we wanted the trees to be here when someone comes, can come and rest here, and maybe make something here so that people can be sitting here. Yeah, just like Nasto's home, the seats,
exactly.
they look nice.
Actually,
Yeah.
I was telling her about the seats, like putting different wooden chairs somewhere,
Yeah.
or even plastic
Just
ones.
at the shade.
Yeah, you need to come and maybe people in the house are busy. You can just feel at home, your house here, enjoy. And I'm loving also, I'm seeing a lot of fruits.
Yeah, a lot of fruits. We have mulberry here. This is mulberry.
Cinquenanes.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, we
There's
have
one here.
fruits.
Yeah, you can
Others
see
here.
they are ambushing.
Yeah.
Also one fruit.
There's another one here for you. Take even you here. That one.
Hey.
Others are up there.
Oh,
Yeah.
we'll go and check them out.
So this is kind of a garden, yeah? Yeah, very beautiful garden.
Yeah.
Hey, you have mangoes.
We have guavas.
Oh, guavas,
Guavas
not
here.
mangoes.
Yeah.
The
And
mangoes
this,
are here.
yeah,
This one.
this is a mango. This is a Chinese mango, I think.
Chinese mango.
Chinese, yeah, I think it's Chinese. Then blackwood.
Yeah, the last one.
And this is, you see, I was telling you earlier,
Yeah.
this one. So we
About
always
the-
even cut so that
About the
lemons
orange.
and
The
orange.
orange and lemons, actually, I was told
Yeah,
they,
you see it's grafted.
yeah,
The
they
one,
don't
this
do
one
so
is
good.
dark,
Yeah.
Yeah,
this one
exactly.
is light.
Exactly. Even in our home, we have these ones.
Yeah.
A lot of them, but they are not doing well. I don't know why.
I think also it's because, you know, in our area here, we don't have like orange trees, mostly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Or the sand,
Yeah,
Fertility.
the fertility, the type of soil that we have here doesn't support oranges so much.
yeah.
But you can see for mangoes, guavas, avocados, pawpaws, mostly they do good. But when it comes to oranges, it's a bit of a problem.
So, like, as you're trying to put these droppings for chicken
Yeah, oh yeah.
here,
Can see
so
it.
that you can see if it can work
Yeah.
to improve the fertility of the soil. So this one we cut, and we're not seeing any improvements. Maybe we are even thinking to remove
You
all
can
the
replace
oranges.
this and put maybe mangoes.
Mangoes.
Because I'm seeing mangoes are really
Are
doing
doing
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Yeah,
And
very
you know, even we had a very big, what are they called?
orange.
Oh, not orange,
Or lemon.
lemon.
Lemons.
Yeah, we had a very big tree, and then we cut it
Why?
off because it was not doing well.
Okay.
So yeah.
So down here we have other guavas and so many trees. I don't know. So many trees.
Yeah.
This one is whistling tree.
Yeah, the whistling tree.
Yeah, whistling tree. And this one is also a fruit, but I don't know which fruit this is.
This is a fruit.
My dad planted this, so I don't know what type of.
This is
It's a fruit.
it's called
Oh yeah, you know it.
you know it.
Yes.
What is it called?
I don't know the name, but I know it.
You know it. Me, I don't know.
This
the
is
fruit.
it's kukumanga. Yeah. It's
What?
somehow round and it has it's a very good, and also, you know, a lot of people confuse it, but it has a very good medicinal value. Like for the body, this is the best fruit that you can plant. I also have this.
Oh.
It's somehow
Like that one?
red in color.
That one is more
Yeah, that one is morubaini. It's red in color and it has very good fruits. Yeah. So this one, I also have it.
It cures or what?
Yeah, like it cures some diseases, you know, cleansing the body. So it's a very good fruit. You can also confirm with the person who planted whether I got it right.
Yeah.
But it's a very good fruit.
Yeah.
I mean,
So there is this guava which just grows from down. You see, it has fruits already.
This is
A
guava.
guava. Yeah.
Oh,
it has
hey.
fruits already.
a different type of guava.
Guys, this is a guava.
From which country?
I I'm not
Does
sure.
it become big?
No, it just grows the way it's short,
short like
this,
that.
like this. Yeah, but I think the fruits will become small like the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. Maybe.
Yes. Yeah, so guys, we're here. This
Also a guava here. You can see a guava.
not right. You know, Nastu is
It's
used
ripe.
to guavas.
So you see the fruit I was telling you about.
Yeah.
It's called a pomegranate. Yeah.
Pomegranate.
Yeah. This is the.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Wow.
That one is this. So this is how the fruits usually are. You can see the leaves are just like
Okay.
that. It's a very nutritious.
Very nice
Yeah,
tree.
it grows like this.
Okay.
It's called a pomegranate. Very good for
But
the body.
not in Africa.
Yeah, it's there in Africa.
It's
Okay,
there in
here is in
Africa.
Africa.
Oh, it's this one.
This one.
Oh,
Yeah, this one is mwarobaini. This one is also very good
Yeah.
for the body.
Yeah.
You boil the leaves and you drink.
You drink.
Yeah, so it's very,
Yeah.
very nutritious.
that's one I know.
So this is the downer part, and we have money tree. You heard of
Which one is the money tree?
Money.
That one.
Oh, that one.
So like it's the leaves when you plant that,
Yes.
you'll bring more.
You bring
Mine.
more
Money,
success
more
and more money.
Yes.
Let's see the money.
I have to look for a money tree. I need
Yeah,
lots
the-
of money.
the compound. So
Like
this
it
one.
brings wealth.
Yeah, it brings wealth. This one.
Yeah.
Some money tree.
Yeah, guys, we can take even a picture. We will look for it somewhere.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. So you've seen Maza, you've seen the fountain already.
This one, okay, I was here, I saw it, but we can.
You can pass.
Yeah.
And
You know, when I came here first,
yeah.
I was using my phone recording.
Oh,
It was my phone, yes.
yeah, it is a phone.
Yeah, this one that I have
So
right now.
this is supposed to be a fountain,
Yeah.
and the water flows from up. And then we thought maybe not a fountain alone. Then we maybe we put something like a fish pond down here, so the water flows, and maybe some small for just beauty, some small fish.
Or a small swimming pool.
Swimming
Swimming
pool.
Can you swim here?
African swimming
No,
pool.
no.
This one is enough. You can swim up to there 10 rounds.
Maybe
But
me.
it's a very good fountain,
Yeah.
and it was built
Yeah.
using the stones.
Very natural.
So it really
Natural.
took like good craftsmanship, like someone who knew what he was doing,
Yeah.
and they built that fountain. You can see, guys, this is how it looks like. It's a very good idea.
Yeah. So we decided to just put it here so that we can do some other things like planting
Yeah.
trees around here.
it,
Yeah, because if we could not have put this fountain here, maybe we could have planted a tree here,
Yeah.
a tree there. Yeah.
And also the idea of fish is a very good idea.
Some small fish.
small
Then we put a bridge
But
here.
the fish, I think, what kind of fish are you like?
We're not sure because it's our first time trying this. Maybe we'll ask experts.
And
who-
tilapia can do.
Yeah, who can maybe. But I heard like for fish to do well, it needs sand, not cement. So I don't know how it will be, but maybe it can work, maybe it can't work.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
it's a fish for maybe
For
the
beauty, just
beauty.
for beauty.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Like mango.
so these are mangoes.
That's very good. Very good. They're producing very good mangoes.
But doesn't produce the whole tree. I don't know the reason why. And before the fruits were falling off, but we sprayed and it reduced. So I don't know if it's some type of disease, but
This one, I always see like also there's a home there that they plant. You know, there's some insects that attack, that make them fall. So they usually put some container with some liquid inside, and then they tie it somewhere here. So it attracts the pests. When they come for the mangoes,
okay.
they get into the water. Yeah, I saw it somewhere.
We also had this in our
You
compound.
have this.
Yeah, but they didn't.
It's not easy for it to produce like that.
Okay. So this is a downer part. There's a beautiful small garden there.
I remember the first time when I came here, guys.
Uh-huh.
We sat here with your dad
Yes.
and you were here.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
garden.
You were here.
Garden.
So, you know these? You know these?
Land.
Mother, you know these?
Yes.
That's not a cassava. Maja wants to say cassava.
But I hear they eat the leaves.
Oh, the leaves?
Yeah, they eat it with rice in Tanzania, I think.
Oh, yeah. And it's very delicious.
It's very delicious. I've never
Very,
tried
very
it.
delicious. Me, I've eaten it in Tanzania.
Okay.
It has a specific name. I think they somehow dry the leaves and then they grind it.
I know it.
You know it?
I know it.
Yeah. It has some name. So they dry the leaves and then they make it into powder. So it's not cooked the whole leaves. Yeah. Very, very good.
Yeah, so this is just a small garden just outside the house. And
Yeah.
this is the, you see this looks beautiful.
I think I know also this tree, and I've really looked for it.
For real?
Yeah, because you know me, I don't love so much trees.
You
and
don't love trees? Wow.
Yeah, but,
for me, I love trees a lot. And I came to love it because my dad loves trees a lot. So that's why they're...
That's why your compound
enjoy.
is full of trees.
Yeah.
Full
So
of trees, yeah.
other mulberries, so like we did this so that they cannot grow tall and we cannot, you know, pluck from up there because it will be
So they
very
go
hard.
down.
So they go down.
Yeah.
So this is how it is. This lemon is not producing fruits.
Exactly. The lemon I was telling you from
It
our
grows
home.
big.
From our home,
Yeah.
it was like this. But now my dad cut it down because of, I don't know the reason why.
Yeah.
But they don't bear.
Because they don't bear fruit.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's why even as we want to cut these, because no fruits. So this space is for what maybe we put some other fruit here, maybe apple tree here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apple. Wow.
Apple tree. Come, I show you apple tree.
Are you sure it will grow like
I'm
to
right
bear
sure.
fruit?
Come.
Yeah. So guys, this is Chef Claire's home, multi-billion home.
Yeah.
So we are here, guys, and this tour is so nice. I believe the first time I was here, it was 2024.
Last year.
Last year, yeah.
2023.
2023. Yeah.
2023.
Yeah,
Yes.
2023. And this is 2024, and things have changed a lot. So guys, we are trying to learn a lot of things, and the trees which are here, they were not this grown like this. So right now they are grown,
Time
guys.
changes.
Yeah, and Chef Claire, she's grown also. You know, so
Yeah.
we are here.
Yes.
Yo, so you were saying?
Yeah, I was saying there's an apple tree here. Can
Oh.
you just check?
Yep. We have even an apple here.
Yeah, here.
Yes.
So the bad thing is we don't have a wall. We don't have a perimeter wall. So like there was a big one here. Someone just came and passed and picked.
Oh.
Even it's not yet done.
Wow.
So that is the problem. No perimeter wall. So they pass and they pick and go. They pick fruits and go.
And like this apple tree, how do you plant it? Like,
So like you buy it when it just like the others, you buy this a small tree. You buy a small tree and then you plant. Though this one is different from others. This one is more expensive because even you know these apples are expensive when you buy.
Yeah.
So the tree is expensive than the others, but not that expensive. It's something that someone can afford. So you just plant the small one, and then it takes time.
you
though.
can't just pick this like a small branch and.
No, I don't know, but what I know is you just buy the one with the roots and plant it. So you have this one and the other one there, which is still growing, but it hasn't had fruits yet. So this is the second time it's producing fruit. The first time it produced only one. I guess maybe when it continues to grow, it has so many.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, this is apple
Apple tree.
Yeah.
So with all the trees, the one we value a lot is this one.
Oh, okay.
Because it
Yeah,
produces
it's
apples.
expensive.
Yes.
Okay, very expensive. Yeah.
So
Yes. So also in here.
yeah. I understand you don't love trees, but
No,
maybe
no,
soon
like
you
I
love
don't love
them.
trees.
Yeah.
I love trees, but you know our compound is very small.
Yeah. But maybe one day you'll have somewhere.
My compound.
Yeah, somewhere, and then you'll just want to plant.
Yeah.
Even fruit, just fruits, you know.
Yeah. Me, I only love fruits.
So these chickens, it's going to be a hard time. So they're jumping. Yeah.
So I think you can put something.
Something there.
Yeah. Like
So that
barrier
they
for them.
cannot
Yeah.
jump.
Yeah. Exactly.
It will have a hard time.
Yeah.
Ona. Zifuze. Hebu nione.
Yeah.
Songa
So
hapo.
guys, this is Chef Claire's residence. We're here, and the the good thing I like about here is like the way they built the house. I wish your dad was here to explain to us.
Yes.
Yeah, but you see, like this, it's an art. This is an art. So you know, most people here in our village don't build their houses like this.
Yeah.
Like few people
Yeah.
build their houses like using these stones.
These stones.
Yeah.
Like most of the people have asked me, where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? These ones are found in Narok. Yeah, Narok, and
Yeah.
they're shaped.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they're shaped.
Yeah,
in-
guys, you can remember the last time we were in Narok, I saw these stones, but now you buy it like they are straight, but you have to shape it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they are very expensive, very expensive, guys. So these stones goes for how much? Maybe one stone.
80 shillings, I think. 80 or 100.
This one should be around 100.
100.
Yeah, 100,
Yeah.
Yeah, very expensive.
Yeah. 80 is the other one. I
80
think
is
so.
the other one.
Yeah.
So this is
The
100.
normal one, like those ones.
Yeah.
So like 100, the whole of the house.
Yeah. So before it's shaped, this is how it looks like. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yes.
Oh, like
Yeah.
this, yes.
So
Like
before
this.
shaping, it's like this. So when you build with it in your home, now the expert comes and shapes it. But mostly they shape outside. Yeah.
Outside
Yeah.
for
For
Yeah.
the beauty.
But
Yeah.
inside you can even put the normal bricks.
yeah,
you
the
can,
normal one.
Yeah.
So like these, we had to build with these because they were the remaining
Yeah,
ones.
yeah.
So they had to build this small house. Yeah. So this is a 2-bedroom house.
So this is yours.
No, this is not mine. This is my brother's. So
You can have a tour.
yeah, you can have a tour.
Get
Yeah.
So like this one is a living room where you can just sit and relax, and this one a bedroom also. This one a bedroom, and go this way. So also this one is a bedroom. So 2 bedrooms and yeah, 2 bedrooms. So this is another bedroom, and we have a kitchen here.
And you know, it's built, you know, normally in most of our houses that we build, when you enter like this, you just get into the living room. Yeah,
Yeah.
living room. Yeah, so guys, actually we were saying that for normal houses, mostly when you enter like this, you find the living room, the dining, but this one is a very different style, because when you enter here, you can see this is the washroom. Like there's a corridor first. You first arrive here, and then the kitchen over there,
Yeah.
and then now the bedrooms, which is a good thing. You know, most of our architects, if they design for your house, you just enter like this, you're in the living room.
Yeah, exactly.
So maybe they can
So-
change. Yeah.
Yeah.
They can change that so that when you enter, at least you find maybe a space first,
Yeah.
and then now into the house.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
And also we really have to, you know why we are doing this video, it's to educate,
And also,
and
we are
also
learning. Yeah.
people are learning about building houses.
Yeah.
You know, like this. I believe when Nasto or me, I'm starting my especially
Nasto
Nasto
had already
dream.
started.
Even you.
No, dream house.
Oh
Even
yeah.
you.
Yeah, even me.
Yes, even
yeah,
you.
my dream house.
Yes.
But me, I don't have a house.
Even me.
Yeah.
Because
Even
this is
you,
not
for
my
sure.
house.
Yeah, you can learn from
Yeah.
here. Like
Yeah.
maybe you can take this design from here.
Yeah.
Like you know, when you enter the corridor, sitting room,
Yes.
then you go to the bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly, guys. So we are still learning here. It's a tour of of this
Multi-billion.
multi-billion multi-billion house.
Yeah. So this is the entry.
So this is the kitchen area.
Oh,
Kitchen.
Yeah, like when you enter, you go to the kitchen. But when you want to go to the living room, maybe you can use the
use the
part.
front.
Yes. So this is the back of the kitchen.
So we start from here or we start from the
We can start from here
Yeah.
and go
Even
there.
there, you know,
Yes.
it's like if you come to my place, it's the door that the people living there are comfortable using. Like this is
Yeah.
easier because
Yeah.
mostly they're using
Exactly.
this front area
Yes,
like
yes.
this.
exactly
Even me,
even my home.
yeah,
Yeah,
even their home. I
they
think
use-
mostly they use the
yes.
back.
The back
Okay.
door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
It has more space, and also it's easier to access like the borehole over there.
Yeah.
You can imagine how going around like this,
Mm.
and also maybe that side is still raised.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Let's go in.
So as you enter inside here,
Okay.
so as you enter inside here, this is the kitchen, and yeah.
This is the kitchen. Guys, this kitchen is round. Like the design is very, very like unique. I can say it's very unique because you know, in our village, like especially in Yabuhansi, the kitchens that we have there, people build the kitchen like
Yeah.
you know straight.
Yeah.
But here, the kitchen is round. I don't know the idea of.
Okay, the idea is we wanted these windows to be here so that, you know, from the outside you can see the windows.
Yeah.
They look very nice.
Yeah.
So even from inside, when you stand here, you can see, sorry, you can see outside. Like
No.
here. So we're planning maybe to put a sink here and a sink here. You can see the pipes. A sink here and a sink there. Then we can put something like a cooker here. You get, or yeah, maybe this is the, you can just pass here. So you can put the oven here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe over here oven. See?
Oh, oven.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, you know, oven is very.
For cooker.
Yeah.
Cooker.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you know, also in our village, especially where I come from, you know, this is where I'm not coming from, or rather Nasto, yeah, and everything. So you just put the what do you call it? Something like this.
Like
Yeah.
granite on top or what?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So, like what you're telling us is very different from what,
What you see.
yeah, what we
People
see.
doing normal.
Yeah.
So like we wanted to be a little bit just a little bit, because it's not much different. So like we do our cuttings here, you know, even the other side,
Yeah.
and then we have our drawers, like the cabinets.
Yeah, cabinets,
here, up here, and yeah. So these are the sockets. Sorry, these are the sockets, and
Wow.
this is the kitchen.
Wow.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the kitchen, guys, of the multi-billion house.
So
built
it
in
looks
Malaysia.
small.
No,
Big
it's
kitchen,
just
no.
big.
And this is
Very,
the
very small.
Yeah.
yeah, this is the
This is the pantry
Pantry,
house.
yeah.
Yeah.
oh,
Pantry.
you know,
Like yours.
yeah, you know, like for me, I used to say
The
store.
Yes,
the
in
kitchen.
Africa we say
Call
stove.
it a store.
Yeah, exactly. But
Yeah.
now you know it's a pantry.
Punch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you
Yeah,
put
it's
dry stuff, food stuff, and
Yeah.
So go this way.
Yeah.
Go
So.
this way.
Uh-huh.
So this is a dining room.
This is the dining.
Dining.
Yeah. This is a dining room. Then
This is an open kitchen, yeah?
yeah, this is open kitchen.
Yeah.
And this is this living room.
The living
Oh.
room. Sunken lodge. Eh?
Yeah.
It is sunken down there.
Yeah. So this is the living room.
Has
The
a fire.
fireplace and the windows.
Yeah.
We wanted them to be big like
Yeah.
this, so that lighting can come and
Come.
also can look good.
Yeah.
I really like even the big windows here.
Mhm.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
So the bad thing is, you know, here in Africa, and you know how you can't just put a glass here. Maybe
Yeah, you have to put
if
the
you have enough
grills. You have
security.
security.
So the downer part will put the grills, but not tiny ones.
Tiny grills.
Yeah. So the big ones. Then up it will be
Glass.
just glass. So I had a challenge with these. Maybe you guys can advise me.
Yes.
I was thinking maybe we remove these. Well,
Yeah, to be open.
To
be
Yeah,
open.
even me, I wanted to tell you.
And-
Because
yeah.
when, at least in a house, when you are in the living room,
Mhm.
it's good that you see the whole house.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
This wall, I think, it,
When people are sitting over
yeah,
there,
you can easily
Yeah.
see. Or you can put something like a cup,
Yeah.
like this.
Or
but I
and,
think it's you can just
Remove it.
remove it
all of it.
like this.
Then you put something like a stand.
Yeah, like the whole place from there,
Mhm.
this place maybe.
Yeah, just to remove it so that even if you're here, you can still see people in the living area, the kitchen.
So like that was my idea.
Yeah.
And my dad's idea
Yes.
is my dad's idea is
Yes.
this one should stay for privacy. Sasa ile yenye wazee wakiongea
Oh.
huko
Mnakula.
watu wasikuwa wana
Wasiwaangalie.
it's drop. So maybe
And
that
maybe
yeah.
the TV will be there.
Yeah, the screen will be
Yeah.
there.
Oh.
Yes. So
Yes, so yeah, so guys, come with us as you see this multi-billion house in
And also,
the village.
a good thing is that you know, despite it not being completed, the house is not so, like, it's not that, you know, there's no construction materials, timbers, nails.
here.
Organized. You see.
Organized.
Like, you know, some houses, if you go that are not fully done,
Mm-hmm.
you'll see bricks, a lot of
Yeah.
sand, a lot of
Inside.
waste inside. But this one is very clean. Yeah,
Mhm.
it's very well organized.
Maybe it's because we are having those hopes too.
Yeah, it will be
Yeah.
over.
Yeah.
It will be
You know,
over.
also something I have to say, you know, a house is not, you cannot complete your house like maybe today or
Yeah.
tomorrow. You will build.
Yeah.
Every
Like
day.
even us to see the videos.
Yeah,
is-
every day,
every day
Doing
something
repairs
must.
here
Yeah.
and there.
Yeah. So even at our home,
Mm.
we have not completed.
Yeah.
Every day maybe you buy small
Slowly
things,
by
slowly by slowly. So
Yeah.
that's how we do it. So
Mm.
you have to be organized.
Yes.
Yeah. You move in when you move in. By the when you move in,
Yeah.
that's when you will finish your house. But when you
Yeah.
build and say, yeah.
Like,
like
let me
this
just-
one, yeah.
Mhm.
Like this one, after you put maybe the windows, you can move in.
Yeah.
And then now you tile room after room,
Yes,
paint.
yes, yes.
Exactly. Yes.
So speaking of that, we have this room, and which is finished, but my brother is staying in
Oh, yeah.
because right now this place needs someone to
Yeah, to watch it.
Yeah,
to
exactly.
look at it.
For sure.
Maybe at night, and we have a small house.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the downer parts bathroom,
Yeah.
like washroom
Thing,
here.
yeah.
This room is supposed to be what is it called?
Guest room.
Guest room.
Yeah,
Yes,
guest room.
guest room.
Yeah, guest room.
Yeah, so this one. And
And I
we
don't
have
know-
a way here, going to the other house.
Oh,
This one.
the other house.
Yeah. So
So guys, where we came from?
Yeah. And here.
Yeah.
So this one is supposed to be just a sitting place where you just chill.
Yeah. Like a movie room.
Yeah, like you know, when maybe my parents are there,
Yeah.
maybe busy talking with us, we can sit here,
sit in this
or maybe my dad's friends are there, my mom's friends can sit here. Yeah, so and watch from here and have nice seats just here.
And a good view.
A view from the back.
And
Yeah.
we also have a school here.
Mhm.
Technical.
Yeah.
Yeah, over here. Yes. So, wow.
Go up. So just come.
Yeah.
She's from everywhere. And wants to jump. Yeah, so now you said things are everywhere.
No, they are organized. They are arranged. Yeah.
So, Maja, this is a bedroom. Where you're standing, it should be a bedroom. Yeah, so it's not sectioned, partitioned. This is also where here supposed to be a corridor going outside.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
the corridor.
So here there is a wall.
A corridor or
No,
What do you
like
call it?
corridor going
Out
to this.
to the
I've
balcony.
forgotten the name.
balcony.
It's called tech something. So yeah, let's just say it's balcony.
Yeah, the balcony.
Yeah, so when you go this side, we have master bedroom.
Master bedroom.
So this is the master
Very big.
bedroom.
Yeah.
massive.
Yeah.
Very big.
So going here, so that was the bathroom.
Yeah, for the master bedroom.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we had another idea. Maybe you guys can advise me here. Maybe we make another bedroom. This should be another bedroom.
For the master bedroom. Yeah.
Another bedroom on its own.
Yes.
Then this one to be the washroom. And then this side we remove this
Yes.
and then we extend, we make a washroom.
So there is a area here.
Yeah, so we can make a slab.
Slab.
Here and expand and make it a bedroom for the
For the master bedroom.
for the master, or we leave it like this.
Okay, for me, I think maybe this can be wardrobe.
Yeah, walking
Yeah.
closet.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
was supposed
yeah.
to be a walk-in closet in
Exactly.
this area. But speaking of that, we are many girls, so we lack one bedroom.
Yeah, one bedroom.
So we need
so
one bedroom.
this bedroom is a master bedroom.
Yeah.
This one.
So yeah, I thought it was maybe for your dad or
Yeah, so this is
For
my
the dads.
the parents.
Yeah, the parents.
Yeah, so this one was supposed to be a walk-in closet, then that one the washroom.
The washroom.
But we are missing one bedroom. So the person who designed this house is not the person who built this house. So the person who built this house confused like everything. Yeah, so
So you have the idea now of closing this area
Yes.
like this. This has a separate room.
Yeah.
and then this is a
Because guys,
bedroom.
you can see here, there is this space. So they can put a slab here. And then they make this maybe the washroom for the master bedroom. Yeah, that one is not bad. Because even this one is still big.
big.
Yeah,
Big.
it's
Because
very
you can
big.
put a bed here. You
this
can
one is
do
very big.
something. Yeah. Go.
Yeah. And this, what is this?
Oh, that is a chimney from down. It goes up, but we will close this part.
Oh, okay.
Or we can just, because it goes all the way up. Yeah.
Chimney.
Yes.
So let's go here first.
We go here. Oh,
Yeah, this is the view from here.
so this is a window.
That is a window. Guys, let's use the main door. Yeah,
I have already trespassed.
that is a window.
So,
The master bedroom has a very good balcony. It's very big. Yeah, very
Wow.
big. Very big.
So guys,
have a
Moha,
good
you can
view.
show them from here.
Yeah, the view is viewing. Yeah, it's very good.
Yes. Show from the other side so
Yes.
that my dream house. Here, Moha. Turn around.
Very, very, very amazing.
Master, what do you think about
It's a very good house. It's very good, but also it needs like a lot of patience. Yeah.
Yeah,
A house like this, you can't say that maybe you're building it in maybe 1 year or 2 years.
exactly.
Yeah, it really needs like a lot of patience because there's a lot of money involved in such a house. Yeah, so for us is to wish them that maybe very soon the house can be completed and then they move in. Yeah, because the beauty of a home is now to live here. You know, you can't be seeing it every day. At least they have now to complete and move into the place. So guys, let's pray for them so that maybe in the near future they can move in. Or what do you say?
yes, yes.
Not near future, maybe.
Yeah, in
2 months.
next year maybe.
Next year.
Yeah, next
Yeah,
year.
God
Yeah.
willing,
Yeah.
the house can be completed.
I would really have loved to be your neighbor, but for me,
You can be a neighbor here. This is land. You can purchase this.
this land.
Actually, I've loved also the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Like it looks like a very silent area,
a very
like
silent
with good houses, and also people have planted like very unique trees in their homes. It's a lovely neighborhood. Yeah, for sure.
And also, the MP lives here, you know,
Oh, yeah.
area MP. Yeah, so she's a neighbor to the area MP. Yeah. So where are we going to next?
Going to the other room.
Mhm.
Finish the upper room.
Yes.
So when you come from this side, I know right now it won't look good because it's
It's okay. It's okay.
yeah. So when you come in here, this is another bedroom. So this is my bedroom.
Yeah.
So this is how it is. So this one can be a closet
Yeah.
or my office here, and a washroom here, and this is the bathroom.
It has a balcony also. So the master bedroom is the one who gets the better view.
Yeah,
You
because
get the half view. Yeah.
I get the half
Yeah, but
view.
it's a good place since it also has a balcony. You can sit here, you relax.
Yeah.
And also the
So
room
me
is
when I sit here,
spacious,
I'll
yeah.
be seeing we'll
Yeah.
put a swimming pool there.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
So
It's a very big house.
see that to be.
you see, you're swimming.
Yeah.
And other thing, like you know, this roof, the roofing of this house, like,
Yeah. So
it's like a house itself, like see
the small
roofing
one.
for the design, the design of the roofing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Maza, we've not finished this roofing, the deckers here, because these small things you see the house.
Yeah.
There are things that are needed to do that, so that the roof can complete. So that's why I've not completed. But when you get the materials, we'll now finish the whole part because you have some roofing, just small, for finishing these parts. And the bad thing with this thing like that is, remember we bought the timber when they were
Yeah.
new
Yeah, yeah.
and they were cured.
Yeah.
They cured them here. So right now that chemical is
Oh,
because
yeah.
it is being rained on. Yeah. So I think we'll have to remove it, all of it now.
Oh,
That's
all the
another
timbers.
another loss. Yes, we'll have to remove it because you can see it's like they're even rotting or yeah, because of the rain. So that's the disadvantage.
And you know, this is like a house. I was like, you
Is
can
that how-
live, you can live up there.
No, that's
Like-
just for beauty.
Wow. Yeah. Oh, beauty.
That's not an ordinary roof.
Yes.
It's an ordinary. Okay, so we're done with this. And I love the windows.
Oh, you also have the good view.
Yeah.
The front.
Yeah, I have the view.
In the window.
Yeah. You can come here and then see.
Very good view, man.
Wow. You. See the good view here. Wow. This is like my even
No, I
like
have
my
a small
bedroom.
bathroom.
Small,
Yeah.
big,
Small.
massive.
I wanted them to.
Extend up here.
Yeah. But we want, okay, my dad, yeah, Shura.
Oh, this is
No,
a Shura.
Shura, yes.
The design. I have the in
You
the
have
mind.
this in your mind.
Yeah. You know, you guys have like the ladies guys have a lot of soup.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you have to share. So, welcome.
Yeah.
So, we have this. This is our small, what is it called?
Project for
Project.
chicken.
Yes, my small project. And these are 141 chick.
141.
Yeah, 141.
Wow.
Like 9 died. So yeah. So there were 8, but one just died, and now there are 9. And yeah, this is the whole project.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you are doing your own project here in your own like house. That is very good, you know. Even me, I believe me and Nastu, we started with a project like this, and it was doing very well. And they're going on. Yeah, so it's very encouraging, and I think chicken is the best business to do right
Yeah.
now. Not even
Chicken
right now.
is the best.
Yeah. So
Anyone can try that, right?
yeah, anyone,
Yeah.
anyone else.
So what about you? You once told me you started that,
Yeah,
and what happened?
yeah, we had them, but now you know.
Right now you still have even 10.
Yeah, we have them. Yeah, we have them. Nastu has, me have, so
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
So, and also we keep me and Nastu at
okay.
our home.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
very nice. I think I'll visit you again and you
You're
show me
lost, yes.
you show me that project of yours, and I get to know 1 or 2 things, just like me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm learning. I don't know everything,
Yeah,
but I'm
exactly.
learning. Yes.
Yeah. So this is meant to be
This is just a bedroom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, but it is big.
For now, it's yeah, for business.
Yeah, for business.
That is
okay,
good,
the
yeah.
chicks are for business, not for slaughtering and eating. For business, when they grow, after some months, I'm gonna sell them. Then I'm going to get other small chicks. So when they get out, I have others.
Exactly, and I want to take you also to my cousin.
Yeah.
She keeps a lot of them,
Really?
a lot of them,
Yeah.
a lot. Yeah, and you just come consult
Okay,
me.
okay,
A
okay.
lot of them,
I will visit.
and
I'll-
she has markets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the view. So Nassau came in front to get the view.
Yeah. So here you get your son in the evening.
Yeah.
And you enjoy.
Yeah.
So this is
The balcony of this bedroom. Yeah.
It's going to be extended.
Yeah, it's going to be extended. So that's, you see this one has a very small because of this roofing. So it's extended.
So it can go up to round like this.
No, just here.
just here.
Because this side is going to put roofing.
Oh.
For the design to look nice at the back. Because it is the back.
Okay, so guys, we are just seeing this house which is here in our village. Of course, at Chef Claire's home. Yeah. Wow.
Finish.
Yeah. So guys, as I told you, this is a multi-billion, not million as Nasto said, multi-billion house here. And everyone would want to dream about a house like this. Yeah, and I don't know what to say, but this is also my dream house. You know, this house is built on stones. Huh? Stones.
Yeah.
And it's very expensive, but it's anyone's dream to have a house like this, guys. Look at it. Look at it. It's massive, and it's a dream. So this is what we
But
do
it has
to
taken years.
yeah,
to
years.
finish.
You know, you can't build today and
Like-
finish tomorrow.
4 years, more than even 4.
Yeah, even our house, it's not even built with stones, but, bricks,
Yeah.
but it has taken us almost 10 years. Yeah, but you know, now it's maybe for you to finish it. Or,
Yeah, so me, I'm stepping in to help. Just the little I have,
Yeah, exactly,
I can
exactly,
help.
yeah.
The little saving I have, I can help here, my parents.
Exactly,
And
yes.
we move.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so this is it.
So guys,
The next time you're coming, we're going up. Because this land
You know-
is...
you know the thing. Sorry, the thing that I'm learning every day that I come here, every minute that I come here.
Yeah.
I don't mean a minute, but when I come here after some maybe months, when I come here, it's going up.
Yeah.
You know, I came here.
Some
it was,
progress.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, and that is very nice, and I appreciate. Yeah, I really appreciate you so much. So maybe we can go this way.
To these houses. Okay.
So guys, I've been here before, and I really appreciate the progress, and I appreciate your dad so much because he's my friend. We talk. He tells me like, Maja, you're not posting. I didn't see you." Like,
Yes.
so I really appreciate him so much. Big up to you.
Yeah, it's back. The dog is back. Haina shida hata.
You see, Nasto has dog
Haina
material.
shida. Haina shida.
I only trust my dog.
Haina shida. Hata hiyo ingine haiko hapa.
Inaweza.
Ijaza.
Ni female hiyo.
Hii ni female. Hii ni female. So mwana haina shida. So Maja, this is a cow shed. Yeah.
Cow shit.
Yeah.
Guys, this dog is big. Fearing.
It is chain.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, we are here, and it's been long since we met with Chef Claire.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really appreciate you for inviting me. What did I do? I called you to invite me.
Yes.
Yeah, I called you to invite me here. Yeah, and I really appreciate that so much,
Yeah.
because I think the first video you did, we were me and you,
Yeah.
and I really want to say thank you so much for you accepting me to come back, because you know right now you are big.
I'm not big.
Yeah.
How am I
But
big now?
anyway, anyway, thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly, and let's keep on supporting each other.
Yeah.
And, doing videos to encourage people out there, guys. Yeah. So my dream house is here.
Yes.
my dream house. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. God bless you abundantly. Until our next video, maybe from Chef Claire.
Okay, Mazake, thank you so much for visiting us here, our home, and thank you so much for coming. You're always welcome. Over like again and again, you're always welcome. And yeah, so this is our house, and the bad thing is maybe you've come when we're not inside, maybe, and we've not cooked.
No, I
Yeah.
always come here. Okay, not always.
Yeah.
I came here also, you know, when I come here, it's
Yeah.
not like you have to cook for
Yes.
for me or you have to cook for anyone.
Visitors, you know.
You know, when we come, we converse.
Yeah.
That is food. Yeah. So
Okay. So thank you so much. I just want to say thank you so much for featuring me in your channel. Yeah.
yeah, thank you so much. Also, God bless you
Yeah.
abundantly.
Yeah, and
That's
maybe
to-
I'll visit you one day.
Yeah, one day.
Maybe the
Any day.
next time. The next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's to.
Yeah, so guys, we've enjoyed the tour. Kindly watch the video till the end. Let us know also what you think about the house tour. I've also loved it so much. It's an inspiration, and it's good to see that yeah, it's possible. You know, such dreams, maybe we believe that houses like this cannot be built maybe in Africa or cannot be found in Africa. But it's a good experience just to come and see this house, and also for Chef Claire to accept us to come and tour the house. We say thank you so much. You'll find very few people accepting you to like have exclusive videos in their homes.
Exactly.
Yeah, so guys, go check out Chef Claire, subscribe. Also check out Maja, and check me also. It's Nasto. Yeah.
And me, Chef Claire _1.
_1.
Yeah.
And we have
For
a
Maria.
gift from Chef Claire. I take from Maria,
Yeah.
not mine.
For Maria.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Peace and love, positive vibes. Until our next video.
Need lots of money.
The compound.
Like,
So this
it
one.
brings wealth.
Yeah, it brings 12. This one.
Yeah.
Humanity.
Yeah, guys, you can take even a picture. We will look for it somewhere.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. So you've seen Maza, you've seen the fountain already.
This one, okay, I was here, I saw it, but we can.
You can pass.
Yeah.
And
You know, when I came here first,
yeah.
I was using my phone recording.
Oh,
It was my phone, yes.
yeah, it is a phone.
Yeah, this one that I have
So
right now.
this is supposed to be a fountain,
Yeah.
and the water flows from up. And then we thought maybe not a fountain alone. Then maybe we put something like a fish pond down here, so the water flows, and maybe some small for just beauty, some small fish.
Or a small swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Can you swim here?
African swimming
No,
pool.
This one is enough. You can swim up to there 10 rounds.
Maybe
But
me.
it's a very good fountain,
Yeah.
and it was built using the stones.
Very natural.
So it really took like good craftsmanship, like someone who knew what he was doing,
Yeah.
and they built that fountain. You can see, guys, this is how it looks like. It's a very good idea.
Yeah. So we decided to just put it here so that we can do some other things like planting
Yeah.
trees around here.
it,
Yeah, because if we could not have put this fountain here, maybe we could have planted a tree here,
Yeah.
a tree there. Yeah.
And also the idea of fish is a very good idea.